Street food in Korea is very popular. And the king of Korean street food is a dish called tteokbokki. They're rice cakes drenched in red chili sauce. We're lucky that we even have the opportunity to eat them today because it used to be royal cuisine. So where can we try some of these tasty morsels? Well, I got just a place for you. After all that fun, we were famished. So we went to eat at 우리할매떡볶이 or Grandma's tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is simmered rice cake that's drenched in sweet and spicy sauce. It's typically a street food. Not that kind of street, this kind of street. As for this restaurant, it was founded in 2020 and it already has over 342 locations. Yowzas! Besides tteokbokki, they serve various types of fried foods, including french fries and hot dogs. And as the name indicates, they want to serve tteokbokki that was the kind that Grandma used to make. We ordered our meal through a self-serve kiosk, so we were just lounging around the alleyway courtyard. 네, 감사합니다. Awesome. I can't wait to finally try some tteokbokki. This is actually pretty nice. They seal this up for you. Kind of like what they do with boba. So this is our jjajang tteokbokki. I did it not spicy. This is our original spicy tteokbokki. So we'll eat this when we get home. It's very hot right now. They made these almost like vacuum sealed. What the heck did they do? Super glue the seal? Freaking outrageous. Wow, they look so delicious. Okay, how does this one taste? Yummy. Tteokbokki always has a sweetness to it. And look at the size of this thing. These are huge. Oh, that tastes good. And then my wife made some kimchi fried rice. Yummy. And I haven't had this one before. That is jjajang. Jjajang tteokbokki. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. I have one more because it's so tasty.
Same for Ellie.
One more.
I didn't even try it.
Good. First time trying jjajang tteokbokki and first time trying tteokbokki in Korea. These are huge. You want to get a plate, Dylan? Or get a bowl? Get a bowl. I wish we got some more. The tteokbokki went out way too fast. Tteokbokki has now become open source. You used to need a bank account as big as Elon Musk's to eat these. Now that the common man has access, they've created all sorts of different flavors and styles. And if you really want to go full South Korean, then you might want to combine tteokbokki with other dishes such as kimbap, mandu, or ramyeon. Man, just thinking about it makes my mouth leak. Can't wait to eat some more tteokbokki. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. On this channel, I make entertaining informational videos about Korea. If that's your thing, please consider subscribing. And with that, I'll see you on the next Pixex in Korea.